This is our latest little Beetle project. She's a 72 Superbug. It's been done in the original colour. Just made to look really nice and original. Just love the colour. There wasn't much rust to start with because she was a country car from out past Condobilin. Bought this with another little Beetle we did the other a couple of months ago, a little automatic. This one's a manual. The interior is really nice, all the seats are really good. Hood lining's not too bad, it could do with a bit of a clean, but starts and runs really well. That's what you always want out of a V-dub. Starts easy. Show you that motor. Sits nice and smooth. I did the plugs and a general tune up on it. Replaced a couple of the fuel lines. Set the points and timing, so it's all really good. Just a really nice cruiser. As with all our cars, we'll come with a blue slip from New South Wales and can arrange registration if you want it. Hope you like it.